everyone, back again here at Serving Up Plumbing with me, David Butler. Today we're going to be talking about flood protection for your water heaters. Now what's that mean? That means if your water heater happens to start leaking, there are devices nowadays to turn the water off in the event that that happens. And it's not about if it's going to leak, it's just when. But before we do that, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And also, let me know in the comments what you'd like to see in the future. The device I'm going to be talking today is the Residio L5 flood protection device. Now, we're not sponsored by Residio. This is more of a product review. We do install these at Milestone Home Services. It's our favorite product that does do flood protection because it's very dependable. It's also made by Honeywell Residio. A lot of you never have heard of Residio, but most of you have heard of Honeywell. Honeywell and Residio partnered several years ago, and now Residio makes these valves for us. So they have a well-respected name and they have a really good product. Why do we need a flood protection device or a water leak shutoff device? Well, as we talked about a minute ago, water heaters are going to leak at some point. It's not about if they're going to leak, it's just when. And when they do, you may not be home. You may be gone on vacation, or something else may be going on that you don't hear it if it's in the attic or somewhere else. And by that time, the way you find out about it is the water coming through the ceiling or the water flooding your garage or something of that nature. So in today's world, flood protection devices, to me, are a must for people. Now, the code does not require them in most cities, although we do have a few cities that have amended their codes and added them to them. I look for at some point in time that the code will add these to it to have it on every water heater. But right now, they don't. These are an option. A lot of the insurance companies are going to where they require you to have some type of flood protection on your water heater because we've mentioned before, water heaters are one of the #1 causes of flooding in homes. The Residio device not only takes care of shutting the water off if you have a leak in your water heater, but it also notifies you by Wi-Fi. It connects to your home's Wi-Fi system. It has a flood sensor that goes in the pan. You can even add additional flood sensors to other areas of the house that will be wireless remote to this. It's a great device. In fact, there are systems even that we can put on your entire home to protect your entire house from water disasters. Flood sensors can go in multiple areas. You could put one under your washing machine. You could put one under your toilet. You could put them at your water heater, and one device will shut all the water off to your home in the event that it detects a leak. Now, right now, we're just talking about the ones that go at your water heater. And again, I recommend any water heater that's installed to have one of these. The sensor goes in the pan. The device senses water. It immediately shuts the water off going into the water heater, and it notifies you on your cell phone that, hey, there's been a leak detected. You need to come out and check on this. You can also turn your water off on your water heater from remote location. You can type into your phone and say, hey, I went on vacation. I forgot to turn my water heater off. Bam, go on your phone. You can turn your water off on the heater and have peace of mind while you're gone on vacation. All of this is taken care of by an app that you download from Residio. As you'll notice in these photos that we have up, you can see the device itself that goes on the water line. You can see two types of flood sensors. One, it looks kind of like a rope cable. That goes down in your water heater pan, circles around the pan, and if any moisture touches that whatsoever, it shuts off the water. It also notifies you right then. They also have the remote sensor that you see in the picture. That sensor is battery operated. It'll let you know when the batteries need to be replaced. It's wireless. You set it behind your toilet, under your washing machine, in any area that you're concerned about flooding. You could put one under every fixture in the house for that matter if you desired. These immediately notify you that it's leaking. Now, this is not battery powered. It plugs into the electricity. It does not have a battery backup. But when it does come back on, it will reset itself to exactly what it was before the power went off. And it will likely notify you anytime that the power does go off to say, hey, our power's gone off. We don't have any flood protection right now. Of course, if you have a backup generator or anything like that, you can have it hooked up to this, and that will make sure that you're never without flood protection. The Residio valve is an excellent device to put on your water heater. Again, we're not sponsored by Residio. There are other devices out there, but just like we use State water heaters, we use Kohler products, we use products here at Milestone in the DFW area that we have tested and we know it's going to take care of our customers. The Residio valve is very dependable. It has the Honeywell name and it's easy to install. I really do recommend that you have some type of flood protection on your water heater because, as I said before, it's not about if it's going to leak, it's when it's going to leak. And this works on tankless water heaters or tank top water heaters. So, give us a call today and Milestone can come install one for you. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's helped you out and it's been educational. If you're a plumber, you're probably already using some of these. If you're not, your insurance company may be sending you a letter saying, hey, you need to put one of these on your water heater. If so, the Residio is a great choice for that device. Some insurance companies will even give a discount on your homeowner's policy if you install a flood protection device. So you may want to check into that with your insurance company. Well, hey, hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you like this video. Let me have a comment. Do you have a particular flood protection device that you really like if you're a plumber out there or if you're a homeowner that's got one installed on your house? I'd love to hear about it. Take care. Let your friends know that the Butler did it, and we'll see you next time.